Caribe Royale, tower number 1.
Got more Otis Elevonic 411s with Series 1 from the 90s.
Set of 4.
All in the same controller as well.
They're from 1996 when this property opened.
Yeah, very nice view from this side. Got a good view of the World Center Marriott. You can see Epcot off in the distance as well. You can see the Epcot ball.
Indeed.
Sorry for the glare,
It's a window, that happens.
especially during the night.
Yeah.
Get a view out this window real quick before an elevator comes. And there's a view of the other two towers and the pool. And there's a view of a guest floor. I think an elevator's here. Got this one.
Not this side.
Cab scene's pretty dark than the others we rode here.
Yeah.
Here, a cab going down. Same as all the others in the towers. They're very nice.
They get the job done.
Yeah, there's a frame for security. Advertisement, screen, floor indicator, capacity is starting 100. There's your Otis logo, elevator 1, series 1 buttons, certificates, along with your dusty phone.
That wasn't
And you
that
got your
bad.
Otis door track.
And this one doesn't have the Otis logo, the other one did.
Yeah, interesting.
Cat view, hello, hello. And I'm gonna end up here.
Alright, a different car.
Sounds good.
Here on 10. What was that classic leveling?
I'm ready. I'll see you in a moment.
Alright, we'll set this elevator down. We'll try to get a different car. Maybe one of those two. Door seems kind of rough. Here we have Will just chilling out here.
Hello, hello.
The question is, how smart is this controller? Because y'all know Otis controllers are definitely not the smartest.
Yep.
Got another security camera right there.
That side.
Right.
That one's really dark.
Yeah.
And that one does have Otis on the door track.
Got another one. And we'll get a cab view of this elevator. This one appears to be darker than the one I just rode. That doesn't work. There's our frame for security. Floor indicator, elevator 4, capacity is starting 100. Series 1 buttons, certificates, and your non-ADM phone. And now we'll end up on the 10th floor. Door close does not work. No classic logo in this elevator, but it does have the Otis logo on the door track. Here's your house phone, and there goes the elevator.
That's me. And your name.
Yeah. All right, those were the elevators here at the Caribe Royal Hotel here in Orlando, and that will be it. And there's Will messing with his phone.
Hello.